by everyone in 2025. Ferrari continues to exemplify automotive excellence, blending its storied heritage with cutting-edge innovation. This year marks a significant milestone as the brand introduces its first fully electric supercar, a testament to Ferrari's commitment to evolving with the times while maintaining its core identity. The electric model showcases Ferrari's dedication to performance, boasting top-tier power density, a lightweight design, and an exhilarating driving experience that remains unmistakably Ferrari. The company has invested in a new facility in Brunello, dedicated to the design and construction of electric drivetrain components, ensuring that even in the electric era, the essence of Ferrari's engineering prowess is preserved. The 2025 lineup is further enriched by the debut of the Purosangue SUV, Ferrari's first foray into the sport utility segment. Unveiled in September, the Purosangue combines the brand's signature performance with the versatility and comfort expected from an SUV. Despite its departure from traditional Ferrari designs, the Purosangue retains the marque's DNA, offering a driving experience that is both practical and thrilling. Ferrari anticipates that the Purosangue will account for less than 20% of its sales by 2026. Reflecting its strategy to maintain exclusivity even as it explores new market segments. In the realm of motorsport, 2025 is a landmark year with seven-time world champion Lewis Hamilton making his debut with Scuderia Ferrari. This high-profile move has generated significant excitement among fans and industry observers alike. Hamilton's transition to Ferrari is seen as a strategic effort to challenge the dominance of rivals and to bring a fresh dynamic to the team's pursuit of championship glory. His partnership with Ferrari underscores the brand's relentless pursuit of excellence and its commitment to remaining at the pinnacle of Formula One racing. Ferrari's strategic plan for 2022 to 2026 outlines an ambitious roadmap, with 15 new models set to launch by 2026. This plan includes a balanced mix of internal combustion engine, ICE, vehicles, hybrids, and fully electric cars. By 2026, Ferrari aims for 60% of its portfolio to be electrified, with 40% comprising hybrid models and 5% fully electric vehicles. This shift reflects Ferrari's responsiveness to global trends towards sustainability while ensuring that the performance and driving pleasure associated with the brand are uncompromised. The company remains committed to the development of its iconic V12 engines, recognizing their integral role in Ferrari's heritage. Even as the automotive industry moves towards electrification, Ferrari plans to continue producing pure combustion models, which will account for 20% of its sales by 2030. This approach highlights Ferrari's dedication to offering a diverse range of vehicles that cater to varying preferences, ensuring that traditionalists and enthusiasts alike can find a model that resonates with their passion for driving. In summary, 2025 is a transformative year for Ferrari, marked by significant product launches and strategic initiatives. The introduction of the brand's first fully electric supercar and the Purosangue SUV demonstrates Ferrari's ability to innovate while staying true to its heritage. The addition of Lewis Hamilton to the Formula One team adds a new chapter to Ferrari's illustrious racing history. As the brand navigates the evolving automotive landscape, it remains steadfast in its commitment to delivering unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and the timeless allure that has defined Ferrari for decades.